Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is January the 4th, 2019, the home of the 2-minute price prediction, as well as give me all the news according to the charts. And that's all we're going to give you here today. It's just an update of what the financial stock market did. Okay, it was another powerful day in the stock market. The S&P was up 3.5%. The Dow traded as high as 800 points today. The NASDAQ is up 4.25%. So I'm just simply coming in and giving you an update of what we said on our video posted on this channel December 26, 2018, to where Trump said to buy the dip. Okay, now I told you all that we were looking for the movement to the upside for all of these three indices you see here on this website on my screen. And again, the movement to the upside is still strong. Okay, I'm still forecasting all three of these indices to continue to move higher. The first resistance area now for the NASDAQ is going to be right there, that 6,500 point area. Looking over the last 2 weeks, including this week, it still shows us that the interest to the upside is still there by the market participants. So the overall strength in the NASDAQ is there. Take a look at it on the daily price chart. We even came to that 6,400 point area that we mentioned in our video on the 26th of December. So that is another achievement in our belt without causing you any confusion. Now the next area is going to be around 6,600 points. Okay, if the overall trade with China goes well next week, then it would be not a problem for the NASDAQ, the S&P 500, and the Dow to each make substantial gains to the upside to, starting next week. Okay, so including what the Fed said today in their meeting, on top of what occurs probable from the China-US trade, the market can see another huge upside move next week. So just be prepared for that. The price chart is definitely reflecting that the momentum is definitely to the upside right now. In the NASDAQ, the S&P 500 definitely is continuing to show us strength to the upside. 2560 all the way back up here to our resistance line is the movement forecasted for the S&P 500. The daily price chart also shows you the same depiction that there is a lot of strength in the market for the S&P 500, looking for it to move higher. 2560 ultimately back up here to our resistance area, still in tow. So the market overall is still feeling euphoric about the recent statements from the Fed, as well as the optimism from the China-US trade war. All of these things are pushing the market to the upside currently. The market even came and hit that top right there around 23,500 points, just like it did here during the weeks of beginning half of November 2017. The daily price chart for the Dow again is showing us a lot of euphoria. So overall, the overall market is still feeling quite positive for higher prices, and that's going to be our analysis too. We're still looking for the market to move to the upside as a general body, not as a specific individual stock, but the market as a whole. The sentiment is still there for higher prices. So we're the first one to tell you that without causing you any confusion. We don't have any indicators, no Fibonacci retracements, no MACDs, no stochastics. None of those things are simply hindrances as to what the market is going to do. You cannot come up with a viable analysis regarding what is the market going to do in the future. We're giving you our prediction as to the market moves for the next week, and all three of these indices are continuing to show us movement to the upside. So we just wanted to come in, give you an update, and tell you all that the market is still euphoric about the move to the upside, and that is literally what we're expecting to occur. Give us your thoughts, give us your comments. We just wanted to let you all see how the market was faring for the last day of this week, and it is definitely feeling quite well. So give us your thoughts, give us your opinions. Make sure you all maintain your profitability. And if you do like this content, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell notification so you do not forget any of the other videos that we upload to this platform. And as well, we got some other websites that you guys can go to, HueFinancial.com. You guys can go to our Patreon page. If you're interested in cryptocurrencies, we give you analysis for that perspective as well. We got a lot of avenues for you all to stay in contact with what we are doing. So again, make sure you like and share this video. Make sure you all maintain your profitability. I will see you all later.